We have a woodpecker. I've had the best luck walking through this trail. I had a beautiful owl. I came back to see if I could find him again. Look at this. I've never had a woodpecker in my sights. Look along the bill is. This is a beautiful trail. I saw something on the tree trunk, and of course he flew down. He's finding something good down there. The owl found something too and ate it in front of me, a mouse or something. It was down in the ground. I don't know why that. Whoa. 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 That's quite a beak. It's finding something good in there, a grub. This is an interesting shot. I wish I could get his whole body, but I don't want to scare him off. I'm not really getting a good focus on him. I'm having to shoot through some branches, so I don't know how well it will focus. I swear to God, I'm going to find a bear one of these days. I don't want to disrupt him. That's the bigger woodpecker. I saw one of the smaller ones in the yard, just on the tree trunk. I don't know, his head is just bobbing up and down. Oh man, look at this. Where is he now? I can't see him. Here he is. Huh. Can't go real close. If it weren't for all those branches in the way. Holy crap, look at him. Wham. You can hear what, you can see why they go tapping on the, he's hammering, see? This is such a good shot. It's the first time I've ever seen a woodpecker on the ground. That's really something. I wish I could get his whole body in, but I can't even zoom in very much. Wowie. You must be finding something good there. They flush out some bugs or something like that. It's funny how birds seem to know that you're there. Doesn't bother them. And yesterday I got this incredible owl, but of course, I didn't get a shot of it.